Firstly, remove the two front wheels from the car by removing 5 17mm bits each side. Then, remove the 9 8mm or 10mm bolts from the front wheel arch liner. The socket size required depends on the production year of your car, so make sure to check beforehand. Pull the wheel arch liner away from the front bumper to gain access to the fittings behind. Next, remove the two 8mm screws that are holding the bumper onto the front fender. You'll then need to remove the parking sensor connections and any other wire harnesses connected to the front bumper. Make sure to do this gently so you don't damage any of the wiring. Once the parking sensors have been removed, remove the temperature sensor. There's no need to unplug the sensor to do this. Under the car, remove all 8mm or 10mm screws in the front bumper. There will be a total of 10 screws you'll need to take out. You'll then need to open the bonnet of the car to gain access to the top of the bumper. On top of the front bumper, remove the push fixings from the plastic trim. Then, remove the plastic trim to gain access to the fixing screws. Using a marker, place 2 marks on both the top and bottom of the screws holding the bumper in place. This will ensure it goes back to exactly the same location. Using a T30, remove the 8 screws and place them over to one side. Use a low adhesive tape to protect the fender and front headlights. This is an important step to prevent damage when removing the bumper. After that, remove the front bumper. Under the front ducts, it will feel like the bumper is still connected. Pull firmly to remove the bumper. We advise you place the bumper on a protective stand to avoid any damage. Remove the parking sensor wiring harness using a trim removal tool. Make sure the wire loom is loose from the bumper. Then, remove the parking sensor connections. When removing the parking sensors from the grille, make sure you remember or make a note of which side each sensor came from. Using a trim tool, bend the pressure tab backwards on the original grille. This will make removing the original grille much easier. Now, you need to release the clips from the bumper to the grille. You can now remove the grille from the front bumper. Once removed, clean the location of the original grille and place the new grille into the bumper. push the bumper into the grille so the clips are secure and all gaps are closed. It may take some force. This is to ensure an amazing and long-lasting fit. Next, you need to reinstall the parking sensors to the new grille. Reinstall the wiring loom and use the provided cable ties to secure the wires to the grille. Make sure the parking sensor's rubber is perfectly seated in the hole. You can now reinstall the front bumper. Follow all the steps you did to remove the bumper in reverse order to install it securely back to the car. I hope you enjoyed this install guide. If you need any further information, please contact the details below.